All right, so he's gonna let me drive it so he can get some drone shots. So I'm gonna drive it like I stole it, and bad idea.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Welcome back to BGP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now. This is the reason why Grand Cherokees just might not be the thing, and why they're not, you know, the best for off-roading. So you guys can probably tell by that it's not going too well. So for some reason this Jeep is only 2-wheel drive, which is kind of a weird option. I guess you can't even get them in 4-wheel drive, but you get stuck in the it's been 5 minutes out here. But yeah, so we got the Gladiator out here. You've seen this before on the channel. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and check it out up here now, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and see the build and what's done to it. Pretty much the only thing that's going to make it out here, my Jeep is parked on the street outside because I'm not going out here. And then, yeah, he's got kind of an off-road setup, but as you guys can tell, it's just really not working for him. So let's just see what he's doing over here and how it's going. So, yeah, the Grand Cherokee might not be the one for off-roading. Well, it's a 2-wheel drive. You can't blame him. You can't put anything on. It's super soft, like more soft than beach sand right here, and it's kind of a hill and an incline, and it's 2-wheel drive, so it's gonna get stuck. But yeah, hopefully he can pull him out here. You know, I mean, he doesn't get stuck anywhere. Hopefully, if he does, then if he gets stuck, that's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Then that'll have to be the thumbnail. But yeah, so let's see if you can get him out. Good luck. Yo, so what are your thoughts on your Jeep? You like the Grand Cherokee, or?
I'm actually looking at getting a Hyundai Elantra next. I'm tired.
Don't blame him, yo. Jeep Grand Cherokees just ain't it, Chief. It's confirmed they're not it. All right, so basically what I'm thinking is the way to vlog here, to vlog the off-road content, is to just hang out the Jeep like this, and then you can really just get the proper angles. And you can see over here we got some dirt bikes ripping it. The wind is probably right now.
No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
So basically what we're doing out here is trying to find some stuff so we can get him out, like a log, some rocks, something like that. But I thought it'd be a good idea to just hang out the Jeep because, you know, it's a Jeep and it makes me want to get a Wrangler a little bit. So maybe the Daytona Charger's not going to happen. Maybe I'll just get a Wrangler because, you know, I could basically get that for way cheaper anyways. So yeah, let's just do that.
Stop the cap.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
You good?
Yeah, I just my shit off. Yeah, I'm good. I just threw that thing into the dirt going about 35.
I looked up, I was like trying to pressure record, and then you just...
We
good.
looked up and you were on the ground. We're like, wait, what?
Oh, we gotta take a second after that. This kid's nasty at riding. He'll give you some good videos.
Jeans?
Yeah.
Shout out the boys on the dirt bikes out here. Super cool, they're ripping it. He crashed a few times trying to get some clips for you guys. But yeah, we're just out here in the middle of the kind of sand dunes and just taking some photos, having some fun off-roading. You know, some people not having so much fun because they drove a Jeep Grand Cherokee and it got stuck. Yo, that's tough. Yeah, mine's just chilling out there, nice and clean in the sun. So
moments later.
make sure to show him some love on Instagram because he keeps taking L's here, and he's a little upset about it, but he just keeps taking L's on the channel. First it was the race, now this. So yeah, go ahead and just hit him a follow. Maybe I think he'll appreciate that. we got sticks. Yo,
we try using nature.
We got sticks, bro. They got actual equipment to yank it out. when you bring the right people with the right equipment, you can actually get the job done, unlike me and unqualified Laren over here with unqualified equipment. So he made it out, and yeah, he didn't break anything, I don't think. Hopefully, luckily, fingers crossed, guys. Yeah, except his ego, which happens every time. Second time on the channel, you know. So yeah, both times taking it out, but eventually we'll get that W maybe when he gets his 6x6 or something. Put that on the channel, but for now, you know, a couple L's, it's fine. It's fine. We had fun, right? The Hell King, baby.
Can't get more L's than me, baby.
The Hell King, let's go.
Let's go.
Yo, there's like a Kia over there, bro.
You're lying.
Look.
Get the fuck out.
Yo, there.
Ford Escape out
The
there.
Ford Escape.
I got stuck.
But he made
I
it, but
got
the Jeep Grand Cherokee could not. This is the best way to ride off-road, I think. Just whip around here like this. Grab on, nice. Oh, I said, this is great. And then I'm just bumping around. Yo, one leg. Oh, I got the one leg. You know, my other leg's gonna bounce off while I got oh, yo, what the oh, it's so, dude, my arm is gonna be bruised, bro. Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yo, he's gonna trust me to drive the thing here so he can get some drone shots, but little does he know, I'm flipping this bitch. Oh god, I'm flipping it. I'm gonna be doing donuts. I'm going up those big hills over there.
I'm trying to get some good content.
I'm flipping it. How I flip this title's gonna, yep. You already know that because the title's gonna be I flipped my friend's Gladiator, but I think it's fine. Let's just do it.
Soon after.
Yeah, you want me to drift it a little bit?
You can do whatever. Whatever
shit.
you think is.
He said you could do whatever. I just instantly floored. Does he not know it's BJP? Yo, this is bumpy as shit over here. Does he not know his BJP lifestyle behind the wheel, dude? You can't just say do anything because I'll jump it. Alright guys, so that's probably going to close out the video. If you did enjoy or got any information out of it, make sure you smash that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video out to more people. Of course, help the channel grow. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace!